Amber Cove, Dominican Republic, about to go on our excursion, and it is beautiful out here. So I'm gonna spin. Look at this, beautiful. Awesome. All right, so what was your favorite, Parker, so far?
The sea lions and the birds.
Definitely, I agree. Dolphins we've done before, they were great, but you know, definitely sea lions, awesome. Here at Amber Cove in Ocean World. And now we are getting ready to swim with the shakes. What do you think, Parker? You gonna swim with them?
I don't know. I'm definitely not going to be the one who does it first. I'm the one who does it last.
I think we're group number 6, so I think we'll be good.
Okay, because I need to see people do it first.
All right, ooh, here it goes. He looks hungry. Oh, all 3 of them look hungry.
I didn't know there was 3.
He's a good number.
No, I wish it
There he goes. He's getting on you. Oh. Oh, he's on your head. No. I'd like to put some on your head. He's liking you, buddy. Oh, there he is. Well, I don't know what to say. Feels kind of weird here. I hope he doesn't have to use the bathroom. What's that on your head, buddy? See how far you can walk with them on your head.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I didn't, I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I didn't, I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat, I'd be a mover. And everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you true. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss. Wish I had a tail.
Is it a cool beach? Look at me.
All the black, the brown stuff.
That's just sea algae and stuff. All right, you ready to go snorkel? All right, Grand Turk. Do your little dance.
shout out to Tika real quick. Happy birthday. Shout out to all my couples just rocking away right now. Dancing like they're the only ones in Margaritaville. I love it. Listen, after you finish telling her, let's get it on, this is what you got to tell her, okay?
When I start making love, I don't just make love, I be stroking.
You dared me to do it.
I be stroking.
Shout out to my 57-year-old couple one more time. Got your drink and heading back to their station.
So we are at Chabang's, and look at the seat that we got. See that? The sun is about to set, and yeah, we lucked out. What do you think, Parker? How was your first daiquiri that you've had? It's usually like an alcoholic drink, but they did not put any alcohol, of course, in it. So what do you think about the taste of it?
It's really good. Have you ever tried that?
I have. It's not my favorite because I'm not like a sugary drink person, but I really like it. Are you going to eat that straw eventually? So what do you think about the Mardi Gras, buddy?
I like it. I think it might be unsinkable.
Think it might be unsinkable?
Might.
Might? Well,
They said the Titanic was unsinkable.
what was your favorite part about the Mardi Gras?
I don't know. Maybe dungeons. We played the Minecraft Dungeons game, new arcade game. And that was one of my favorites.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So what was your second favorite thing about the Mardi Gras?
I don't know.
Did you like, what was your favorite port?
What port?
Port,
What do you mean?
where we
by-
went to.
That's easy, but I forget what.
Grand Turk was today.
No, the one before that.
Amber Cove, where you got to
Cove.
see the dolphins
Amber Cove.
and the...
Amber Cove. Amber Cove. Amber Cove is my favorite.
What was the favorite thing you did in Amber Cove?
The parrots. They landed on me and everything. It was cool. One of them, well, not Jerry, but one of them liked me so much, which, well, I didn't get to see the video, but one of them was in my hand, and I'm like, usually when you get your hand, like, pretty close to them, they'll fly away. So just, like, stay there, just pet it and just stay there.
So you like the birds the best?
Yeah, just stay there and be like, hey, bro. Let's die. It's pretty cool.
So, what was the favorite thing you had to eat here?
Burgers and the steak. Or actually, the steak and burgers. I like those.
Steak and burgers?
Yep. My two favorite things.
Steak and burgers, okay. So, what was your favorite thing about this entire cruise?
I don't know.
What was your worst thing about this cruise?
That there are no big storms that we got to see or anything.
No big storms. I think the weather was one of my favorite things about this cruise.
I like big storms.
Let me swing around this way.
I wish there's no water spouts. I wish there was water spouts. Whirlpools. I wish there was a big whirlpool.
So what would you like to do next time on a cruise? Would you like to come on the Mardi Gras again?
I'd like to go on a ship and where it take me to is a place. Where it take me to is like a beach where whirlpools are. A bunch of whirlpools.
Bunch of whirlpools?
Not like that big. That big. Like I can't really. That big? And that like that wide. That big. Big whirlpools.
All right. Get a last view of this sunset.